Connection. You're live.
Hi everyone, it's Claudia again here at Dodles. Going to do a little tutorial for you guys about the app and answer any questions you may have. Olivia is on camera and she can see all of your comments and likes and waves and loves, so thank you for those in advance. And someone had requested that we do a Groot character, so I'm going to do my best to make a Groot for you guys today. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to get started. So, you start with your blank screen. I'm just going to do a really simple looking Groot. So I'm going to start with a circle. I'm going to make it this kind of browny peachy color and leave that there. Actually, what I'm going to show you guys is how to edit it. So you go and you push that, excuse me, you push that pencil up in the top and push the black. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. What I'm going to do is make the base outline, and then I'm going to make the shapes on the inside so that our character is already outlined. So we're going to do that. We'll push the peach color that we just talked about. Perfect. So I'm going to make the shapes on the top of Groot's head, excuse me. I'm going to move that triangle, and I'm going to edit the shape with the little pencil. Just kind of make it a dull point. I'm going to set that on top of the head. And like I said, we were just going to do that outline, so it's really easy to push that pencil button, edit it, and then what you do is push the 3 dots in the back, and then you can send it behind. Tap it, perfect. Now, what I can do is copy that and change that color so it's that peach color, and then set that in front. Push the back button so that it moves behind, make it a little bit bigger. Now drag this over and put that in front so it makes that outline. Do you guys have any questions for me so far?
Lots of waves, but no questions yet.
Okay, good deal. One person did have a question about layers, being able to access layers forward or backward. So what I do want to show you guys is this tool on the app. If you click on a shape, it's this right in the corner, if you guys can see it. It's this little button. It looks like a little starting to turn a page or a dog ear, or you can think of it as a tab on your window browser. When you click through tabs, you get to see what's behind it or in front of it. So if you click that little tab button, it takes that and disappears it. So you can see what's behind it and you can work with that. So if you want to work on a layer that's hidden, all you have to do is use that tab button. So I'll show you that one more time. Brought that forward. Oh, I wanna work on the black circle behind it. You tap on the shape, push the tab button right there, and then it pops up and you can see that corner. You can work on whatever you wanna work on behind it. You can delete this layer, but then you click this again to make it work, and there you are. All right. So I'm gonna continue making some shapes for Groot's head. I'm gonna make a black. Oh, if I need to adjust the angle at all for you guys, let me know.
You're good.
Okay, just adjusting that shape a little bit. Great. I'm gonna send that backwards. All right, then I'm gonna make a copy of it. I'm gonna edit the color of that one. And I'm gonna bring this one forward. And I'm gonna send that one to the back. Beautiful. Now I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so it fits right in there. Beautiful. Now I'm going to add 1 or 2 more shapes to Groot's head.
Someone asked if we know how to speak Spanish.
Sí, yo sabe hablar un poco español, pero no soy el mejor habladora de español, pero puedo ayudar o contestar sus preguntas, si tengas, if that helps.
Pencil Warrior 25, did you make the spaceship? Are we coming to France soon?
The app itself might be available in, oh my gosh, I made way too many copies just there. If you saw that, that was great. We in person might not be in France anytime soon, but you will have access to the app in a short time. I hope that answers your question a little bit. All right, so we're just adding to our Groot, making his head. Great. Okay. All right, do you guys have any questions about the app so far? You can kind of see the shape of his head taking place. This is super rough, obviously. I'm just doing it quick for you guys. But if you have any questions so far, please make sure you comment to let us know. Groot has really big, cute eyes. So tap on the shape, those 3 dots, copy it, bring them right over there. Those are his eyes. Shape. I changed the color. And let's change the opacity for you guys. So you go over to the menu on the left-hand side. You go up to the top where it has the color in this like little grid pattern. And then you go to the opacity bar and slide it down a little bit, and you'll start to see it fade through a little. So we're just gonna make that at 92, just so it's a little bit lighter. Great, I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna make these smaller. Copy that, put it on the other side. Great, now I'm gonna make another copy, and I'm gonna make it even smaller. Ooh, Lord, there you go. And then make a copy of that size. So there's the start of our little Groot. We're just gonna make the mouth real quick, and then I might make a branch or add some color on top. Beautiful, let's see how big this size is. I'm gonna change the width to a 4, and I'm gonna go back to the tools and add the ruler shape. You guys know I like that ruler shape, so I'm gonna make that straight line. Then I'm gonna drag it down a little bit so it's a little smile. And I'm gonna shrink that down. Shrink it, perfect. And this is a little bigger of a smile than Groot typically has, but that's okay. He likes Dodles, so he's smiling pretty big today. All right, so what I'm gonna do, oh gosh, sorry, is go over to our drawing tool. I'm gonna change it to the marker. I'm gonna get off of that ruler. I'm gonna change it to the marker. I'm gonna go up here and change the color to green. I'm gonna look at the opacity. It says it's at 100%. I'm gonna make it a little more opaque. Let's make it 80. Perfect. And the width is up there. I'm gonna zoom in so I can make the detail even better. Then I'm just gonna draw some of the greenery on the top of Groot. And you can see it kind of went over the edge a little bit, so I'm gonna make even more. Perfect. So I'm just gonna add some of that color to the top of Groot. And because I'm using the marker tool, it has those different layers that you'll see whenever I lift up. That's okay because it's greenery and it's natural.
Which stylist are you using? We got these stylists from Best Buy. So, if that helps you.
All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more to the top of Groot. And now I know that this isn't like a perfect Groot by any means, but this is just for the purpose of showing you guys different features within the app and showing that you can make any character that you really want to make. So I'm gonna add something up here. Oh, added a random line just there. Great. All right, we're all zoomed out. This is what my Groot looks like so far. If I wanted to continue with Groot, I would probably fix the shape of his head and make it more square up top rather than triangular pointed this way. And I might make that background layer a little bit smaller, a little bit cleaner. And then I would probably give him a little body, and then I might write "I am Groot" up top. All right, do you guys have any other questions for me or anything about the app so far?
You can definitely use your finger to create animations. You can use your finger or stylist, whatever you.
I just grabbed the stylus at the end when I was using the marker, but you can totally draw with just your finger. So what I'll do is I'll change this back to black and show you guys just some writing. So I'm just gonna write "hi." Hello, everyone.
All right, and someone asked if you can download the app for Android, and the answer is yes, you can. If you go to the link in our bio, you can download the app for iOS or Android. It's currently in beta, so we're testing it out still, but we would highly encourage you to download
the beta access. So all you have to do is go to the link in our profile. So you can go to the Dodles profile, follow the link that's in the bio. It asks you 5 questions: first name, last name, email address, and it's so important that the email address you use is the same email address that you use in the App Store. So for iOS or for Android, Google Play, that kind of thing, make sure it's the same email address. And then I think it might ask for your Instagram handle, but it's 5 simple questions, and then within 48 hours, you should receive an email being able to get you beta access. All right, do you guys have any other questions for us? Thank you so much for tuning into our live broadcast so far. How did you guys like the Groot? What kind of characters or animations would you like to see next? Actually, before I sign off, I'm going to show you one simple animation. If you guys haven't tuned in before, I just showed all of you the page one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this eye, and I'm going to group it, and then I'm going to animate the single eye for you. Perfect. So we're going to zoom in. I'm going to make this a group. So you drag over all of it, and then you push the group button, which is right there. Beautiful. I'm just not touching hard enough. There we go. All right, so I'm going to drag that back here. Take a peek. Perfect. So in order to animate, you just click on the shape that you want. You click on the lightning bolt up in the top. And I'm going to do the rotate feature today. So I'm just going to rotate the eyes back and forth. 2, 3. You can see, sorry, I'm counting out loud. Super cute. All right, so if you play that, you can see Groot's one eye animating.
Amazing creativity. Are you grouped?
Grouped? Oh, I think you meant Groot. That's funny. So for all of you, I'm going to be putting up a post in less than an hour. If you guys want to comment, I am Groot, on the newest post within the next hour, we'll know that you guys were the ones watching the live broadcast.
And we will personally DM you to thank you.
Yes.
So comment. And then Emmy, we asked for your email address because that is how we will send you the link to get access to beta.
So I'm going to do is copy that eye. And what's really cool is it'll copy the animation. So now if I play it, both eyes should rotate. Perfect. Groot is in love with Dodles.
All right. Any more questions?
Any other questions for me or for Olivia? Any questions about the app itself, the signing up process, any of the tools that you have within the app?
Of course, we're here to help.
And I don't know that I've ever shown you guys our gallery, but when you are, you want to look at all the Dodles you've been able to create, you push the 3 like hamburger horizontal lines up in the top, and you click on gallery, and you can see all of the animations that you have been working on. And then you can open one back up, and there it is.
All right, any last questions before we sign off? All right.
Thank you for watching our live stream. Remember to go comment I am Groot on the new post that'll be up within the next 15 minutes. And be sure to tune in tomorrow. If you have any questions, feel free to DM us or just wait until our live stream tomorrow to ask them live and in person. And if you don't have beta access to the app yet, go to the link in our profile, fill that out, and you will have access within 48 hours. So, my name is Claudia. Olivia's been on camera answering all of your questions. Thank you so much from everyone here at Dodles, and we'll see you tomorrow.